How to avoid chronic disease, the ultimate guide. Shocking stats. 60% of adults have at least one chronic disease. Did you know that 6 out of 10 adults suffer from chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, or cancer? The good news, many of these can be prevented. In this video, I'll show you simple yet powerful strategies to avoid chronic illnesses and live your healthiest life. Chronic diseases don't just happen overnight. They develop over time, often as a result of our lifestyle choices. But here's the thing, many of these diseases are preventable with the right habits. Today, we're going to explore how small changes can have a big impact on your health. From eating the right foods to managing stress, I'll guide you through simple steps to protect yourself from chronic conditions and live a longer, healthier life. Welcome back to Vitality Vibes, your go-to channel for all things healthy aging. Today, we've got something super important for you. How to avoid chronic disease, the ultimate guide. Whether you're looking to stay strong, energetic, and healthy for years to come, or just starting your wellness journey, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be breaking down the simple, everyday habits that can help you avoid chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and more. Stick around, because by the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools you need to live a longer, healthier life. Let's get started. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's talk about what you'll need to get started on this journey toward better health. A journal or app to track your habits and progress. Access to healthy foods. Think fruits, veggies, whole grains, lean proteins. A fitness plan or app that works for your schedule, even if it's just walking. Stress management tools like a meditation app or a calming activity you enjoy. A regular checkup schedule to stay on top of your health status. These tools are simple but essential for making lasting changes. Now let's break down the steps. Step 1 is improving your diet. Chronic diseases are often linked to poor nutrition. Start by cutting down on processed foods and sugary drinks, and fill your plate with whole, nutrient-rich foods. Small swaps, like replacing soda with water or choosing whole grain bread, can make a big difference. Exercise is your next line of defense. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity a day, whether that's a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a fun dance workout. You don't need a gym, consistency is key. Stress wreaks havoc on your body, increasing your risk of chronic disease. Make stress management a priority, whether through meditation, yoga, or simply taking time to unwind with a good book. Regular checkups can help catch any issues early. Talk to your doctor about screenings and preventive tests that are important for your age and lifestyle. Let's see these steps in action. Meal prepping healthy foods like salads and lean proteins can help you stick to a nutritious diet. Next, a quick 10-minute home workout routine. You don't need fancy equipment, just get moving. For stress relief, try meditation. Just 5 minutes can lower your stress levels. Here are a few tips to make the process easier. First, start small. Don't overhaul your life overnight. Focus on one change at a time, like swapping one unhealthy meal a day for something nutritious. Also, find activities you enjoy, whether it's a group workout class or cooking a new healthy recipe. And finally, stay consistent. Health is a marathon, not a sprint. We all hit roadblocks along the way. Maybe you struggle to stay motivated, or perhaps you don't have easy access to healthy food options. Here's what you can do. For motivation, try finding a friend or family member to join you in these changes. Accountability can be a game changer. If access to healthy foods is a challenge, start small. Focus on what's available and make gradual improvements as you go. To recap, we've covered the 4 key strategies for preventing chronic diseases, improving your diet, staying physically active, managing stress, and getting regular checkups. These aren't drastic changes. They're small, everyday habits that can protect you from serious health problems down the road. Now that you have the tools, it's time to take action. Start with just one step today, whether that's planning a healthy meal or going for a walk. Share your progress in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, check out my next video on related topic for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to avoiding chronic disease. Remember, it's all about the small, consistent changes that add up over time. Whether you start with improving your diet, adding a bit of movement to your day, or managing stress, these habits will set you up for a healthier, happier future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Vitality Vibes for more tips on healthy aging. And hey, drop a comment below sharing which habit you're excited to start with. Your journey to vitality begins today. Also, be sure to check out our next video, foods that make you age faster and what to avoid for a younger body, for even more ways to boost your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.